A Bastrop family renews calls for improvements on State Highway 95 after another serious car crash there a week and a half ago. A Smithville woman died in September at that same location under the same circumstances. KVUE's Jenny Lee reports, all new at 6.
Candelaria Soto only drives.
I'm scared. I panic too much.
When she has to.
I don't want to drive no more.
This is why. A car accident on February 12th left half her face bruised, her vision blurry.
I can see right no more.
And she's in constant pain.
I never had a pain like that.
Soto and her husband were on their way to Dollar General on State Highway 95, waiting to make a left-hand turn onto Pershing Drive.
I saw that truck coming real fast.
Soto thought the driver would stop.
And no, there she comes. There she comes from behind and hit us.
This picture shows the impact of that crash and how it demolished the back end of the car. Soto says she's lucky.
Like my daughter said, you know, she thought I had got killed. But I said, thank God, it was another car coming from, from north side.
Back in September, one driver was killed after trying to pass a car, also waiting to make a turn from 95 to Pershing.
And a left turn lane would have likely prevented these wrecks.
Brad Bonilla wants the state to take another look at SH 95 and come up with ways to make it safer. He represents Soto and 2 others involved in car crashes on 95. All 3 happened in the past 4 months. But according to the Texas Department of Transportation's own roadway design manual, left-hand lanes on 2-lane highways at intersecting crossways generally are not economically justified. SH 95 is a 2-lane highway.
And it's a very callous calculation. It's a calculation that says, hey, we know that wrecks are going to happen.
TxDOT's own numbers show there were several fatality crashes on U.S. and state highways in Bastrop from 2011 through 2015. 2016 data was not available. Bonilla says he knows the state has a budget.
But this is life. It's permanent injury.
And hopes those in charge will reconsider putting people over money. Jenny Lee, KVUE News.
Now, we did hear back from TxDOT about an hour ago. A spokesperson says they do have plans for a traffic signal at SH 95 in Pershing. It's scheduled to go out to bid in August and will be installed sometime after. TxDOT has also submitted projects to add turn lanes in various locations on SH 95 between US 290 and SH 21.